Okay, so today we're going to talk about our new model, which is SMR-1GU-153-52. So let me explain what that means actually. When you're looking at our models, SM is for smoke, R is for round, 1GU means that it has a single gang ring in the box with it, and then it's the width, which is 153 millimeters, and it's 52 millimeters deep. Outer ring, so 153 by 52 in depth. So this is our new model. Comes with mounting for brackets in all four corners. Comes with two brackets in the box that get mounted over here. Has the level adjustments for drywall thickness from 1/2 inch, 5/8, and 3/4. Allows you more flexibility. The ring will get attached to a 4S box. The 4S box and the ring get attached to the back of the gypsum. We have a little indentation here to receive the screws that will attach to the box. So this goes to the back. Now you come into the front. Once it's wired, everything gets mounted through the front. We're trying to make it adaptable so people can use our stuff for low voltage application, which doesn't require a box. And we're already giving them the mounting screw to mount the device in. Or they can put their own ring from the front, which is the orange rings that we have from Carlon. Or if somebody really wants a Romex application, wants to use the blue box, then they're able to do that. Or if somebody wants to apply it to a metal thing, then now you're adding this box. This is intended for standard smoke detector mounts that's in the market. We have two different brands over here, just as examples. This is a battery one, and this is a hardwired one. These are designed for 120 volt line voltage hardwired smoke detectors. Typically what you would have is you would have the device itself mounts to the back plate, gets wired in place, and then smoke gets put in. And this would be what it would look like in the ceiling. And we also have these mounts available in different width and thicknesses, depending on the devices that you put in. So this concludes the SMR-1GU-153 by 52 millimeters deep. Thank you for choosing SeeLess. We appreciate you.